I have been feeling kind of down and blah and just like, I don't know, it's that weird, like, you feel kind of like depressed but for no reason, and you just don't want to do anything. I don't know if it's something that everybody experiences. I imagine most people do. I have clinical depression that I am on medication for. Sometimes I will feel that way for very long periods of time. In this case, I felt that way for the last probably 3 or 4 days. And today I am starting to feel better. But yesterday, before I was really feeling better, I was watching YouTube, which is what I do regardless of how I feel. But while I was watching YouTube, I first came across Kristen Leanne's video doing her version of Jamie French's Tiny Face Challenge. As far as I can tell, Jamie French was the one who started the challenge, and it's called a challenge. So even though in her video she doesn't actually challenge anyone else to do it, and it just seems to be a challenge for herself, I am challenging myself to do it because they both seemed like they were having an amazing freaking time, and I want to have an amazing time. And if nothing else, it'll probably be funny for you to watch me try to do it. I hope. This eye look is Aether Beauty eyeshadow. It has nothing to do with this particular video, but I did just film that video. All of the makeup that I'm wearing, I will have in the description box, and then anything that I use in this video as well. So I'm just going to insert a little clip of her doing, like, of what her tiny face looked like, so that you can see what it is that I'm trying to do. And I have my phone here. I'm going to try to sort of follow this tutorial style. And yeah, she said in her video that she doesn't feel like special effects are like her strong suit. I really don't do special effects at all. Like at Halloween, I always kind of try to do some stuff because I love special effects makeup, and it's something that I definitely wouldn't be opposed to doing. But yeah, we're gonna see how this works. So, okay, so the first thing she did was put on her foundation, and then she like really brightened up this area. She used when I say she, I'm referring to Jamie. If I'm referring to Kristen Leanne, I will say Kristen Leanne. Otherwise, I'm following Jamie French's video, and definitely you should check out her video too if you haven't seen it. But I'm actually going to use my Hourglass Ethereal White Ambient Lighting Powder because I am not, like, the Laura Mercier just doesn't, on her it looked super pale when she like built it up. And that just doesn't seem to happen with me when I use it. And I feel like this is great for the brightening effect that she suggested we are going for.
Alright, y'all. Just gonna make a tiny little nose here. Gonna go across here. This is getting weird. This is really good.
Okay, and then she just goes in to do the nose. For the nose, I'm gonna use this colorful contour from Sephora. This is Second Chance number 35, if I can get it open. Okay, and I think I'm gonna try to use this Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. We'll see. I don't usually contour my nose in general, so let's see how this works. One of the reasons that I don't do a lot of contouring on my nose is because I find it very hard to get it straight. So we might end up with a tiny face and a crooked nose. It's crooked for sure, but also this isn't showing up very well. We're gonna try using Hoola by Benefit. I'm just gonna try stamping my nose on. Okay. This is ridiculous. And then she just used a tiny little brush. And I'm gonna use this chocolate gel eyeliner by Bang Beauty. And unless it's all dried out, never mind. It's completely like I can stick my finger in it and nothing happens. So that's not gonna work. Well, damn. So here's the problem. That's my only brown eyeliner that I had, which is what she used. So I'm gonna try using this Tattoo Studio brow pomade and hope that I can make this work. She just sort of went up a little, down a little. Okay, this is... I thought the lips were going to be the difficult part, but this nose is already a problem. Okay, let's try and get some actual nostril. The nostrils on my tiny nose are further apart than the nostrils on my real nose. So that's a thing that I did with this tiny nose. Yep. It's very easy to see how this is ridiculous and fun. Let's try to, my nose is a little too intense. Where's my foundation brush? Okay. I think I'm gonna try just putting a little bit of foundation over top of it. And let's try doing this. I'm gonna do this with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzing powder and just go over this and see if I can soften up a little bit around this nose. It's not going to look as good as hers, but I feel like hers actually looks like a nose. I don't feel like mine actually looks like a nose. I don't know. I feel like she maybe did hers down further too. Mine's going to have giant lips, but I have quite a nose profile. So, yeah. Let's go back to that Sephora contour. I'm going to use the Sephora contour for shading. Where's a brush I can use for shading? I'm just going to use this pencil brush. Okay, it's going to be okay. It's just a little nose. It's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. It's just a little nose. Okay, I'm starting to be able to see the vision. Can you see the vision? It's a little creepy. It's a little creepy and it's a lot of fun. Yeah. Just gonna keep softening these lines a little bit. And then, yeah. Okay, so next is a little Cupid's bow. I have in real life a pretty pronounced Cupid's bow. You can't tell so much with these lights, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go back into the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and just do a little tiny Cupid's bow. I think that a huge part of my problem is that I did my nostrils so far apart, and also that my nose isn't straight. It's like crooked this way, but I mean, that's real life. Not everybody can have straight noses in real life. This is Bite Beauty number 38. Okay, so our Cupid's bow, just gonna honestly, I think I'm fine with those lips on the first try. Yep. Now for the lipstick color. So I feel like this shade goes really nice with this eye look. And I just got really paranoid for a second that I wasn't recording. Okay, so this is Pumpkin Spice. This is from the holiday collection. And I specifically wanted to use these ones for my nose lips because they smell really, really good. It doesn't smell like pumpkin spice, but it smells really, really good. So we're just gonna... This feels so wrong. Oh my god. It feels so wrong. Oh my god. Why? This just feels so wrong. I do have my septum ring in. I just have it flipped up so that, you know, it didn't mess us up. Putting makeup inside of your nostrils, it's just so wrong. I mean, it smells great, but this is, yep. I don't recommend it. Oh, the lips are the most ridiculous part for sure. Okay. So pardon my once it kind of looks like a face, it's just so ridiculous. Okay. What's next? You're gonna show me my cheeks are. Okay. Okay, let's do cheeks and highlights. Okay, and then I have to highlight like basically right underneath my eyes. Highlighted cheeks with my very deep set eyes is going to be difficult. Let's get some blush on. I feel like this calls for a little bit of Bloom highlighting blush from Natasha Denona. I'm gonna use this large eyeshadow brush from Ulta. Are you shedding? Okay, maybe it was just that one. So it was really funny when Kristen Leanne was doing her makeup. She was like, I need to put my blush up really high, and then I need it to go across my cheeks and over my nose a little bit. And then after she did it, she was like, why do I like this? I should do this all the time. And the way she did her blush was basically how I do my blush normally. And I was like, your special effects blush, my everyday. Hello. are you? That's really, like, it's so good. Such a good day. I really, oh, yep. I'm just hanging out. What about you? Don't make me angry. I'm the angry woman. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab a scarf real quick so that I don't have to hold my hands up. I will be right back. I need to shade the mouth a bit. Just gonna use this nice eyeliner pencil. In this little tiny mirror, it just like cuts off right under my nose. So it really just looks like I'm putting stuff on this tiny little face. I'm gonna put this highlight right in the very center of the nose. Hi. Do you like my hair? Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. My name's Diane. I'm just starting my own little channel here. Thought I would say hello. Thought I'd pop in. Make sure that you check out Jamie French. She's fantastic. Yes, I am a little shy in front of the camera. Okay, so make sure that you like and subscribe, and I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. Bye.